Welcome to this in-depth review of TYPO3, a powerful content management system. Today, we'll be exploring all aspects of TYPO3 to help you decide if it's the right CMS for your website. TYPO3 is known for its flexibility and scalability, making it a top choice for complex websites and enterprise-level applications. Whether you're a developer or a business looking for a robust CMS, this platform has a lot to offer. I'll start by discussing the installation process. TYPO3's installation is quite straightforward, especially for those who are familiar with web development and server-side technologies. The setup wizard guides you through the process, but keep in mind that it's recommended for users with some technical background. Once installed, you'll see its sleek and user-friendly interface that's designed to make content management as efficient as possible. Now, let's talk about customization. TYPO3 allows for extensive customization due to its modular architecture. It supports a wide range of extensions that can be easily installed to add new functionality to your website. Whether you need custom forms, SEO tools, or enhanced security features, there are numerous plugins available to extend TYPO3's capabilities. Additionally, the platform supports multiple languages, making it a great choice for international websites. When it comes to content editing, TYPO3 offers a robust backend system. The interface might seem a bit overwhelming at first, especially if you're new to content management systems, but with a bit of practice, you'll appreciate the flexibility it offers. You can create and manage pages, media files, and content elements with ease. The rich text editor and the drag-and-drop functionality make it easy to format and organize your content. Many useful links can be found in the description after watching the video. These resources will help you explore further options related to web development and CMS platforms. As we move on, let's discuss performance. TYPO3 is optimized for speed and can handle large websites with ease. It also integrates well with caching systems and CDNs to ensure fast loading times. However, it's important to note that because of its flexibility, it can require more server resources compared to simpler CMS platforms. Another key feature of TYPO3 is its security. The platform is regularly updated to fix any vulnerabilities, and it offers features like access control lists and user roles to manage permissions efficiently. For developers, TYPO3 provides detailed documentation and an active community, so you'll always have resources to troubleshoot and find solutions to problems. In conclusion, TYPO3 is an excellent CMS for those who need a powerful, flexible, and scalable solution for their website. While it may not be the easiest platform for beginners, it's an ideal choice for developers and businesses looking for a high-performance CMS. If you're considering TYPO3 for your website, I highly recommend giving it a try. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more honest reviews and tutorials.